Varieties of food. Let's look at the food grains and vegetables we get from plants. Rice, wheat, maize, jowar, dal, green, ragi, millet, beetroot, banana, Bengal gram, cabbage, cucumber, brinjal, potato, snake gourd, lady's finger, pumpkin, bitter gourd, radish, greens, tomatoes, mango, apple. Look at the pictures. Say from where we get these items. We get eggs from hen. We get meat from animals. We get fish from sea. We get milk from cow and buffalo. Some pictures of food items are given below. Put a dot in green color for the food we get from plants. Put a dot in red for the food we get from animals. We get rice, brinjal, pea, black pepper, lady's finger, chili, cucumber, greens, tea, maize, ragi from plants. We get fish, milk, meat from animals. You know that food items are usually cooked before eaten, but there are some food items which could be eaten raw. Carrot. To be healthy, it is eaten raw. Tomato. It is very tasty if it is eaten raw. Radish. It is a little hot, but people like to eat it raw. Do you also eat it raw? Apple. If you eat it daily, you will be healthy. Do you know this? Cucumber. You will be happy if it is in your meal, won't you? Banana. Everybody likes it. It is very tasty. It is good for health to eat vegetables like carrot, radish, and cucumber raw, but it should be washed neatly before eating. Some animals eat only food that they get from plants. Example, deer, rabbit, sheep, parrot, etc. Some other animals eat other animals as their food. Example, tiger, lion, vulture, etc. Here are pictures of animals and the food they eat. Match them. Elephant eats sugarcane. Frog eats grasshopper. Cats drink milk. Monkey eats banana. Cow eats grass. Rabbits eat carrot.